Hey, I'm going to do a review on this vanity set that I got. Here's what comes all in the packaging. Really great instructions. I'm going to show you step by step installing it. All right, I finished step 1 here by putting the screws in each side. And then this is step 3 and 4. And I'm going to keep putting this together and I'll show you a little update along the way. Okay, I have this all put together and it's beautiful. I love it. So first off, you can see that the lights are on here on the vanity, and there's a little control there that you can turn on and off, and this is just on the side. I love the chair here. Looks really nice and elegant with it and works perfect. And you can see this is all set up really nice. So you have a lot of room to put on your makeup and be able to get ready with a lot of extra light. I really love that. Really nice, bright feeling. You have room to put your makeup on here. And then check this out. There's a drawer here, lots of space. You can have a lot of different things in here. Works really nice. And so if you're in the market looking for a really nice vanity with some really beautiful lights, I would highly recommend this. I've been really happy with it.